Congratulations on your purchase. In this short video, we'll show you how to assemble and use your new ProShade 10-foot LED square cantilever umbrella with wheeled base. Before you begin assembly, place the wheeled base in a flat and level area where you intend to use it. Remove the base cover and insert the stem into the center of the base. Ensure that the protective cover is on the crank hole to prevent sand and water from entering it during the following step. Fill the base with sand and then add water to saturate the sand. The finished weight of the base should reach 353 pounds. Next, remove the stem and the protective sleeve. Reinstall the cover and align the hole on the cover with the crank hole on the base. Insert the stem into the covered base and use the provided wrench to tighten the stem by turning it clockwise. Do not over-tighten. Connect the rotation part and the tube with the 4 screws and Allen wrench provided. Put the tube into the base, aligning the notch on the rotation part with the cast tab on the stem and secure it with 4 bolts and washers. Next, install the solar panel to the umbrella by twisting it in a clockwise direction. It is recommended that you use 2 people to carefully place the umbrella onto the rotation assembly. Secure the umbrella to the rotation part with the 2 bolts, 2 washers, and Allen wrench provided. To open the umbrella, partially move the slider up, then turn the crank handle clockwise. As the umbrella is fully opened, move the slider up and place the canopy in the desired position. To tilt the umbrella, insert the crank handle into the tilt socket. Turn the crank handle clockwise or counterclockwise to tilt the canopy. Press on the foot pedal to rotate the umbrella to the desired position, then release the pedal to lock it into place. To move the umbrella, first make sure the umbrella is in the closed position. Open the small cover on the base and move it to the side. Insert the crank handle and rotate clockwise 2 to 3 circles or until the shroud clears the surface it is sitting on. You may now carefully reposition the umbrella. Rotate the crank handle counterclockwise to lock the wheels into place. Then put the lid back on. Press the switch button on the battery case to turn the LED lights on and off. Press once to turn on the LED lights on the long ribs. Press a second time to turn on the LED lights on the short ribs. Press a third time to turn on all of the lights. Press a fourth time to turn the lights off. The umbrella is equipped with 2 battery cases. Remove the battery case from the battery holder on the supporting rod when the batteries are drained. Place the battery case back on the battery holder once fully charged. The USB port on the battery can be used to charge phones or other devices. To close the umbrella, partially move the slider down. Turn the crank handle counterclockwise until the canopy is fully closed. Then continue to pull the slider to the bottom of the side pole. Use the tie-down straps to secure the canopy when not in use. Do not use the umbrella during windy or severe weather conditions. Close and store the umbrella indoors during windy conditions.